Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to make an Instagram profile card. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. You will now land on your profile. At the top, you can see two options: Edit Profile and Share Profile. Tap on Share Profile. If you tap on it again, you will get your profile details. You can tap on Edit Profile at the bottom to make any changes as you desire. Now simply tap on the download icon. You will get two options to download: the QR code or profile info. Tap on any one. You can further edit, then tap on Done. Now you can share the saved picture to anyone and they can easily reach to your profile. And that is how to make Instagram profile card. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.